Hey, we just having a little open house here. This is how the Pipkins do it. We just finished remodeling one of our investment properties. It turned out hot. So we like to bring a little soul into the crib. You know, with all this new wood and new paint, it ain't got no soul. So this is how we do it. We bring in food and music and get down with the get down. There you go. This is how we bring a little soul in our houses. Yeah. There you go, there you go. We'll go through the crib real quick. I'll start over here. Nah, I just started the front door, huh? Okay, let me go to the front door. Alright, hold on. We'll go to the front door. Alright, you ready? We'll go up first. We'll go upstairs. Kitchen. That's how we do it, I'm telling you. We bring in the soul in our crib. It's a Pipkin thing, you wouldn't understand. There you go. What? Yeah. Hey. Get down on it. See the kitchen a little bit. Alright, we'll go down the hall real quick. Entry closet's right here. I mean, my entry closet is an entry closet, right? Here's the bathroom. Got the little fancy mirror and stuff. What? There's the washer and dryer back over there. Excuse me. There's the showering things. Get down on it. One of the bedrooms. So they are almost finished doing the remodel. Almost. There's a bedroom over here too. Oh, there's the that's the linen closet. Oh, we be serious about bringing a soul into the cribs. Every crib we had done had a party. Don't stop now. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. Boy, need everything in this crib. Back out to the party, then we'll go downstairs. What? What? Say that. Get down on it. Not the penguin. All right, let's go downstairs real quick. Bathroom down here. That's the furnace in there. Shower over here. Hey, check this out though. Y'all ain't ready. What? What you know about a sauna in the crib? That's from the 70s, homie. Full-blown cedar saunas. What's up with you? What's up? We come back out where we came down the stairs. Bam! Hit it this way. It's a whole finished basement. Put a little kitchen down, a little kitchenette down here, you know. There you go. One more bedroom. Bam! Nice big rooms. Yeah, so it's the other way into the bathroom off of that room. Then it's got a big old double car garage too. Big old double car garage. They're still doing construction stuff here, as you guys can tell. Yep. I don't know if you can see the outside. It's really nice though. Let's see. See, look at that. That's when you first come into the crib. That's the view. Let's see. Might be too dark. Oh Lord. No, they ain't playing that. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry if you can't. Believe me, it's a nice crib. Double car garage over there. Brand new grass. Yes, it is. You can't see that either, huh? Well, I'm sorry. Sorry. Anyway. Back to the party, my people. Hey! That's Rico's song, my youngest boy. That's his song. What? Hey, 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 hey. Bye, bye, bye. Woo! What? Watch the stomp now. Bye, 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 bye. Hey! It's a Pipkin thing. Gotta bring some soul to the crib. Hey! I'm sure y'all get it by now. Yeah, there's Nina. And no, I didn't cut my hair. It's back there. Hey! All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. Do what you do. Until the next time. Hey!